about to use letters and words to solve a problem at the circus.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Harry the
Oh, that was wonderful!
Thanks, Sonia Lee.
But your poor voice sounds terrible.
Dr. Dana says I have laryngitis. Need to rest my voice for a few days.
But then who will announce tomorrow's big show? Who will announce Perry the Parrot?
Perry the Parrot. Perry the Parrot.
Hey, maybe Perry can announce himself and the show.
But Perry only knows a few words.
Maybe I can teach him a few more. Perry, there are lots of words that start with the same letter. Here's the letter P. P is for parrot. P starts the word popcorn, too.
P is for parrot. P is for popcorn. P is for parrot. P is for popcorn.
Very good. That's the letter S. S is for seal.
S is for seal. S is for seal.
That's right. That's the letter M. M starts the word
M is for monkey. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Perry the Performing Parrot.
Perry, that's perfect.
P is for parrot. P is for Perry. P is for perfect.
You don't have to worry about the big show tomorrow morning.